morning. We're at Houston, booth 540, so if you're in the area, drop in. This is our new Path Easy mini pumpkin. This is in the XL size, the only size we make the pumpkin in. And it's not your traditional pumpkin. So here's your stem, and then these are the ridges that are in the pumpkin. It does turn out cute, but I had a lot of requests for fall things. Pumpkins, you know, that's kind of 'tis the season. So works like any of our Path Easy tools. So foot's going to sit down inside the groove, and I've got my grip dots on here, and we're going to go ahead and stitch, moving fabric and template together, stitching all the way around these little loopy-loos. And now to the ridges. So you want to make sure you come clear up into this point and kind of pause a little bit. And then the same thing at all the points, a little bit of a pause, because you want those to be nice sharp points. Make sure you're supporting the inside of this template as well as you move along, because otherwise it's going to flex and it'll get hung up on the back side of your foot. So into this last swirl here, and we're going to go around and back. So now stop at the end, twist the template, and now you're going to get a pumpkin that's going to be the opposite, so upside down. I'm going to go ahead and stitch one more, well, sugar. I got stuck. All the way around. Again, make sure you're going clear into those points. Back stitch, cut your threads, and you get really cool pumpkins. So anyways, you can find these on the website www.cscountrystitchin.com. Coupon code, all capital letters, NEWST10. And if you have any questions, just leave a message below. Thanks.